I am not in the mood. Part 2. How to make wudu. In the first part of the story, we found out that making wudu can help us get out of our anger and calm down. Now, how do we make wudu? Let us find out together. My dad is very clever. He knows how to make wudu. He taught me how, and I will teach you too. After I intend to make wudu, the first thing I do is to say Bismillah. Then I wash both hands once, twice, 3 times, which is the best. Using my right hand, I wash my mouth once, twice, or 3 times, which is the best. Using my right hand, I sniff water up into my nose. Then I blow it out of my nose. Once, twice, or 3 times, which is the best. Then, using both hands, I wash my face. From the roots of my hair to down below my chin. And from ear to ear. How many times? Once, twice, or 3 times, which is the best. I wash both arms. I start with the right arm. I wash from the wrist to above the elbow. How many times? Once, twice, or 3 times. 3 times is the best. I wet both hands with water and wipe my head, then my neck from back to front. Using wet fingers, I clean inside my ears. How many times? Once. The last thing I do is wash my feet. I start with the right foot, then move on to the left. I massage them well with my hands. I wash in between toes. I wash the rest of each foot up to the ankle. Remember, wash each foot once, twice, or 3 times, which is the best. Every Muslim must learn to make wudu because it is very important. We cannot perform prayer and stand before Allah in salah without wudu. Wudu will purify us, clean our bodies, and remove our sins. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ told us that the person who makes wudu thoroughly will have their sins removed from their body, so much so that sins will leave the body through the nails. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, whoever, when performing wudu, rinses the mouth and sniffs water into the nose and blows it out of their nose, sins will leave through the mouth and the nose. And when the person washes the face, sins will leave the face through the eyelashes. When the person wipes the head, sins leave the head through both ears. And when the person washes the feet, sins leave the feet through toenails. Thus, after this purification, the person steps to the mosque and the person's prayers become extra bonus. Making wudu will help us turn off our anger. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, anger is from shaitan, and shaitan is created from fire, and fire is put out by water. So, when any of you gets angry, just go and make wudu. Now we know that making wudu is a good remedy for anger. The Prophet ﷺ was asked about how he will identify the Muslims of his Ummah, whom he never saw before on the Day of Judgment. He answered that they will have their faces, arms, and feet shining bright with light from the effect of making wudu. This great sign will be given only for the Muslim Ummah. So, we need to perfect our wudu. In this life, this will keep us clean from sins. On the Day of Judgment, wudu will make our faces, arms, and feet shine bright with light. And the Prophet ﷺ will be able to recognize us as his followers.
The purpose of the El Magalla project is to contribute towards Islamic revival in the Muslim Ummah. We aim to do so through the medium of storytelling. To make this project sustainable, full-time dedication is required. If you believe in this revivalist vision and would like to support our mission, we have set up an Islamic art gallery, Roa Art, which you can patronize to help us keep this effort a full-time one. You can also support us through subscription to the El Magalla Patreon channel. Further details can be found in the video and channel descriptions. Jazakumullahu khaira.